y'all, it's your girl Jayla B, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy Sunday. And so today I am just gonna be vlogging. I told y'all the last video that I'm going to try to get used to vlogging as much as possible. Hopefully y'all can hear me because they are doing y'all work on the other side. But anyway, just like I said, I am trying to get used to vlogging, so I'm trying to vlog and be on camera as much as I can for y'all. And so today I'm going to, what is it called? The Rainforest Cafe. It's a restaurant. I don't know if any of y'all know what it is. I know what it is. I haven't been though. I never personally been, but I've passed it multiple times. So if y'all ever been to the Rainforest Cafe, put down in the comments like what y'all think about it. Type thing, like, is it a vibe? Is it like, is it mid? Is it whatever? We're going because it's my stepmom's birthday and she wanted to go there, so we're going there with the family. And then we're also going to Topgolf after. Last weekend for Father's Day, we took my dad to Topgolf, and that was my first time going. So this to be now my second time going. So but the last time I did not vlog for y'all when I went, so this time I'm going to vlog for y'all when I go to Topgolf, and then also at the Rainforest Cafe as much as possible. So we are on our way to church as of right now. So again, happy Sunday to y'all. Hope y'all say y'all prayers and everything, and y'all just have a good week and a good start to the week. So anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so y'all can notify every time I post. And so I'll probably be back to y'all. I almost stepped on a hole. I'll probably be back to y'all once I'm at church and things, and get y'all clips while I'm at church. And yeah, so
have mercy, I will
at one time. So basically, God is saying through Elijah that dirty stuff belongs with dirty stuff. Are y'all hearing me? Dirty stuff belongs with dirty stuff. But Naaman thought, how dare the prophet meet him face to face? I mean, after all, he's the commander and chief. He has power and recognition. He got all of that stuff going on. So he at least should come to me. No, when you operate with God, no, you have to go to God. Are y'all in here with me? You got, I don't care what status you hold in earth. God is king of everything.
Oh,
I beat you. Boy. Alright, it's cool. Because we played Mortal Kombat and I still won my round. It don't matter. I still won my round. But we on our way to the restaurant now. So right now we are at the gas station pumping gas. We are on our way to the restaurant now to meet everybody else there if they're on their way. But yeah, my dad and brother are outside pumping gas. And then after the restaurant, we will be going to Topgolf. But it's supposed to rain, so I don't know if that's going to interfere with us going to Topgolf. But if it does, then we're just going to go bowling instead. So hopefully it doesn't, because I really do want to go to Topgolf. But yeah, after this, we're going to be on our way to the restaurant. I am hungry, and hopefully that they have some good food. So, yeah. Sorry, I'm distracted. People walking around. But alright, we on our way there. So, I will update y'all probably once I get to the restaurant.
A few moments later.
So we made it to the restaurant. It's nice in here. Like, it's a vibe. I'ma just say, I can see it's like it's also kid friendly. I like it. Yes, I am. Boy, you got a problem with that, sir? Huh? But like I was saying before, my brother rudely interrupted me in my video. I was saying how I could tell this is very kid friendly, but you can also come here as an adult and do things. But yeah, it's nice and cool in here. I like it.
I'm taking this thing.
Yeah, I like it. But I'm gonna try not to. I see they got music playing, so I don't want to get copyrighted. But I'll get back to y'all probably once we get seated. We just made it to Topgolf, but the wind is like strong and it's about to start raining, so we're trying to figure out if we're able to stay or not, or are we going to still play, or we're just going to go bowling or somewhere else. So we're still trying to figure that out, but like the winds are strong right now, so we're going to see.
Where's the car?
So update, we actually are playing. We just started, so I got 3 points right now. start though. Okay.
It's progress.
All right, Tori, you up next. Yep. Pick your name.
Whoa.
And then go. You'll go twice. But yeah, it's still raining. It's still storming though. But we good. And me and my cousin just ordered some donut holes because I got a little hungry from the restaurant. I need some dessert.
Y'all ain't ready for this?
Come on, Tori.
Tori. Yeah, but that's not going nowhere, Tori. It ain't going nowhere. Outside the woods. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No.
It ain't gonna go that far. All right, and you go one more time.
Go one more time.
You want this one?
Yeah, just give me that one. It's coming out. Three balls out. Hey.
You ugly. Look at you.
That's a little one. Nowhere.
We just started though.
Okay.
It's cool. Alright, so this is the first game. I got second place. My brother got first place. But he only hit that towards the end. So it's okay. We finna play another game though. Alright, so we on the second game and I got 0 and everybody got points but me. Oh, and my brother.
Let's go.
It's cool. It's cool. We had ordered some donuts, but they about going out, and some pretzels, but they going out too. So they was alright. Alright, where's my thing?
Oh my bad. Crunchy ball. Get back on the grill. Your boyfriend's watching.
Fight, bro. I'm not putting that on YouTube. We gonna get it. No. When I go record it.
All right.
Wait. I can't get it. I'll do it. Wait the person.
Hold up. No. My turn.
It's starting to pour down right now. It's finna mess all of us up, but it's cool. It's alright.
You're trash.
Go. Let's go, Jenna. You go. Be right here real quick. You got this, Jenna. You won't mess up. Don't worry. If you do mess up, then it'll just be failure. So don't mess up. You got this though. You won't miss it. You won't miss it though. But if you do miss it, you'll fail.
Oh!
Works every time.
Yeah, well, I got 2. Okay, I'll take it.
Watch this. If you miss, you'll fail. You got this though. You'll still do it.
You got this, sweetie.
See? You see that? That's called encouragement. That's called encouragement.
3rd place now. It's cool. We good. Alright, so we done with Top Golf, and my cousin over here ordering wings because she fat. So, but everybody downstairs taking pictures and stuff and talking. I guess we finna go back to the house. So I hope they don't copyright me for this. Hopefully they don't. If they do, I'm gonna just block it out. But anyway, I'm in the video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so y'all can notify every time I post. And yeah, see you on the next video.